Hello and welcome to Mastering Social Media Advertising, Tips and Tricks for Maximum Engagement. I'm your host's name, and today we are diving deep into the exciting world of social media advertising. Are you ready to learn some amazing tips and tricks to boost your engagement and reach on various social media platforms? Let's get started. Understanding social media advertising. Social media advertising has become an essential component of any successful marketing strategy. In this section, we will explore the importance of understanding social media advertising and its impact on maximizing engagement with your target audience. The power of social media advertising. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn have millions, if not billions, of active users. This immense user base presents an incredible opportunity for businesses to reach their target audience and expand their brand presence. By utilizing social media advertising effectively, you can tap into this vast potential and drive engagement like never before. Tracking and analytics. One of the key advantages of social media advertising is the ability to track and analyze your campaign's performance. Platforms like Facebook Ads Manager and Google Analytics offer a wealth of data that can help you understand your audience's preferences, behavior, and engagement levels. This invaluable information will enable you to tweak and optimize your ad campaigns for maximum impact. Tips for effective social media advertising. Now that we understand the power of social media advertising, let's dive into some practical tips and tricks to create compelling ad campaigns that drive maximum engagement. Define your target audience. Before launching any social media ad campaign, it's crucial to define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What demographics, interests, and behaviors define your ideal customers? By understanding your target audience, you can tailor your ads to resonate with them on a deeper level, leading to higher engagement and better results. Crafting engaging ad copy and visuals. In the world of social media, attention spans are short, so your ad copy and visuals must be captivating and compelling. Use catchy headlines, persuasive language, and eye-catching visuals to grab the viewer's attention and entice them to engage with your ad. Remember, creativity is key to standing out in a crowded social media landscape. A/B testing and optimization. Voiceover. Just like any marketing campaign, A/B testing plays a crucial role in social media advertising. Experiment with different ad formats, copy variations, and visuals to determine what resonates best with your audience. Continuously monitor your campaign's performance and make data-driven optimizations to improve results and achieve maximum engagement. Emerging trends and future possibilities. As social media advertising evolves, new trends and possibilities emerge. Let's explore some of these trends and how they can enhance your advertising strategies. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has gained immense popularity in recent years. Collaborating with influential individuals in your niche can significantly expand your reach and boost engagement. Identifying relevant influencers and creating impactful partnerships can be a game changer for your social media ad campaigns. Video content dominance. Video content has taken the social media world by storm. Creating engaging video ads that tell your brand story can captivate audiences and drive higher engagement rates. Don't underestimate the power of video in your social media advertising strategy. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this comprehensive guide to mastering social media advertising, tips and tricks for maximum engagement. Armed with these valuable insights and strategies, you're now ready to take your social media ad campaigns to the next level. Remember to stay creative, continuously optimize, and stay tuned for more exciting tips and tricks in the world of social media advertising. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content.